how to play YouTube videos in background. Let's see over here. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So you cannot play your YouTube videos in background while you are in YouTube application. So for that you have to open up your YouTube on your browser that you use. For that you have to go back and open up your browser. Here I'm with Google Chrome. And you have to tap on the search bar and search for youtube.com. Once you do that, you'll be opened up to the YouTube section or the homepage of YouTube, from where you'll be exposed to various YouTube videos. Remember, you need to open YouTube in desktop side. If you are unable to open YouTube in desktop side, then you just need to tap on the three-dotted vertical line in the right upper corner, and here will be the option for desktop side. You just have to check mark over there, and by doing that you'll be opened up to desktop side. So once you're here, you have to select the video which you want to play in the background. For that, simply tap on the video, and here you can see the video has started playing, and you can scroll your notification panel also, from where you can see the video is playing. So you just have to go back to your home page, and you have to scroll down your notification panel, and you can see the video is still playing. You can simply play this and enjoy the music. So this is how you play YouTube video in background. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.